We are pleased to show you the 2023 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, one owner, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.